Welcome to this CIPE short course on digital security. The purpose of this course is to briefly provide practical tips on securing your data and communication and to provide alternatives to familiar services such as WhatsApp, Gmail, and Dropbox that are more secure. This course is designed for everyone in the organization as security is an organizational effort. An organization is only as secure as its weakest link, so we encourage as many people as possible in the organization to take this course, to discuss what they've learned, and to build an organizational culture of security. Poor digital security costs organizations a significant amount of time and money, so being proactive is better than being reactive. Draft a security policy, follow it, revise it often. So we'll be briefly looking at three areas of digital security: messaging, email, and cloud storage. For messaging, we'll be comparing WhatsApp to Signal. For email, we'll compare Gmail to ProtonMail. And for storage, we'll compare Dropbox to SpiderOak. These alternatives, Signal, ProtonMail, and SpiderOak, are more secure for many reasons, partially due to encryption, but mostly due to passwords not being stored. Passwords are often the weakest link in an organization's digital security, so these alternatives address that by not storing the password. The danger to that is that if you forget your password, for ProtonMail and SpiderOak, there is basically no retrieval mechanism. So on this screen, you can see a checklist for good, secure communication and storage. How many of these does your organization follow? Do you know your organization's security policy? Take a moment to review this checklist. So let's look at Signal first. It is as secure as messaging gets. Once you log in, you'll see an array of features you might not be used to. You can establish a secret chat with a colleague. Messages cannot be forwarded from secret chats. And when you delete messages on your side of the conversation, the app on the other side of the secret chat will be ordered to delete them as well. You can also send a self-destruct message with a timer. The recipient will have a limited amount of time to read the message before it disappears. The self-destruct timer is available for secret chats only. To set the timer, simply tap the clock icon and then set self-destruct timer to the desired time limit. The clock starts ticking the moment the message is displayed on the recipient's screen. As soon as the time runs out, the message disappears from both devices. Signal is useful for internal communication and with some external communities as well. Just like WhatsApp, you can create group chats and broadcast lists for communicating with larger groups. How useful could Signal be for your organization? How secure is your messaging now? As for email, ProtonMail is a closed-source, Swiss-based email service that offers secure communication. It has a double password system for both the regular login and the mailbox, so everything is encrypted. It offers a free 500 megabyte account, but will require fees to upgrade. It offers, like Signal, self-destructing messaging. Messages will disappear from both the sender and receiver's mailbox. A warning here for both the secure email and cloud storage systems is the password. Do not forget the password, as the security is based on not storing them. ProtonMail recommends using passwords for ProtonMail that you do not use anywhere else. This ensures that if another service gets hacked, your ProtonMail account remains secure. They recommend using longer passwords, which are random and contain a mix of letters of both cases, numbers, and special characters, which is good advice for any of your online communication logins. So the last of these services we'll explore today is SpiderOak. SpiderOak uses 100% zero knowledge, which means they do not store your login information on their servers, hence they cannot be hacked or forced to give information from government requests from their side. With SpiderOak, your files are encrypted long before they cross the internet to their servers. They only store your encrypted data in generalized blocks, which means only you can unlock your backup. SpiderOak works like any other cloud storage service. You can add your files by dragging them into your folder on your desktop, or by adding them through the web interface. Mobile access is supported as well. To share, you can create password-protected share rooms and send folders or files to whomever you choose. These share rooms are more secure than simply sharing a link as you would for Dropbox or some alternative. SpiderOak is not free, however, so if you are considering this solution, you should have an organizational discussion to ensure that everyone is on board. SpiderOak also has a secure communication tool similar to Slack called Semaphore and an encryption service as well called Encryptor. The point of this course is that these tools, messaging, email, and storage, need to be used in tandem for optimal digital security. Remember, digital security begins with people. We're all nodes on a larger digital security system. Security begins with an organizational discussion and a cultural shift. Otherwise, we're not as secure as we need to be.